And sort of, yes, nervous.
No, I mean about this
Oh,
incident.
but I said, yeah, I was having a bad day.
All right, how do you,
Like, I was like somebody was saying that when he was talking to me, like something told me to get up and do it, but I did.
well, here's the thing. People always tell me in the United States, people are very loud on their phones. Not everyone wants to hear your conversation.
Yes, I
Not
know.
everyone wants to hear the same music that you hear.
Yes, that's
But
true.
most importantly, I have a question, and this is just, I want to know the answer to it. How do you keep a knife in your bra without getting cut?
Oh, because it's a thing where you press it.
Oh, and it switches open. Okay.
It switches open.
Well, you better hope it never opens.
Yeah, I know, but I'm not gonna carry nothing on my mind.
Okay.
I promise, I'm not.
All righty.
I want to start my business.
Okay, so Ypsilanti Township versus Daniel Ramirez. Case number 24T00220.
Paul Barnett on behalf of the township.
Assistant Public Defender Dot Lee on behalf of Mr. Ramirez. Mr. Ramirez, can you say your name, sir?
Hi, it is me, Daniel Ramirez, present.
Thank you. Mr. Ramirez,
Yes.
why would you put in the chat, that sounds like a personal problem from that one lady? Why would you put that in the chat?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. Yeah, I'm sorry. Sorry about that one.
Didn't mean to do what? Didn't mean to type? Didn't mean to put it in the chat? Didn't mean to do what, sir?
It was just a comment.
Yes, it was a comment, and a very inappropriate comment.
All right.
I would think you would have learned something from having been on probation, but apparently you don't get it. Are you following up with mental health treatment, sir?
Yes.
What are you doing with what behavior program are you in?
I'm in the Packard Health one. With Mrs. Jessica Haishel.
What are you guys talking about? Because
You mean therapist or?
yeah, whatever, whoever. I just don't understand why anybody would, first of all, be so unempathetic. Secondly, decide that they would be sitting in the middle of the court and put that in chat to everybody.
I'm sorry.
Mr. Barnett, anything from you on this?
I'll leave it up to you, Your Honor.
Mr. Lebo, anything you want to say on behalf of your client today?
Your Honor, so I would note that other than that outburst, first, Mr. Ramirez does appear to be doing well on probation. I think that his words were an expression of some of the impulse control issues that he has, that he's currently working on in his counseling and in his programming, as well as his general maturing. He is currently 19 years old, so there is some development he's currently experiencing.
I want a letter from his therapist as to how he's doing, because that sends a message to me that apparently he doesn't get it. He has no empathy for what that person was going through. And secondly, to put that in the chat, it's remarkable, simply remarkable. I'm going to see him back here in 60 days in front of me, August 25th, 2025 at 10 o'clock a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're all set, Mr. Ramirez.
All right. Thank you. Like I said again, I'm sorry about that one. But you guys have a good day.
I want you to think about what you wrote.
Yeah.
And why that's so inappropriate.
I understand.
Write it when you come back.
All right. Thank you.
State of Michigan versus Justin Fowler, case number 25 FB 1048 00024, as well as 25S 00235.
Tiffany works for the people.
Matthew Answer on behalf of Mr. Maciel. Adrian, can you unmute put your camera on and state your name for the judge, please.
Adrian Marcel.
Good morning, Mr. Marcial.
Good morning.
We're here for a pretrial in, looks like both of these matters.
Yes, Your Honor, that is correct. I've spoke with Mr. Maciel. He is not interested in an offer at this point. He would like to set this for the nearest available final settlement conference date. And if I could please address a bond condition whenever it's appropriate as well.
Final settlement conference will be August 29th, 2025 at 9:30 a.m.
I can't confirm.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
Who?
Jury selection is September 5th, 2025 at 8:30 a.m. in both matters. What is the bond issue?
Your Honor, we were just requesting this court to consider removing the GPS hot zone tether. I looked up Mr. Maciel's criminal history. His iChat is clean. I don't see a criminal history on his end. These allegations, the child abuse allegation, I believe, is from May, and then the domestic violence is back in December. I went through the police report. The allegations are nothing.
Mr. Mansour, I'm not
Yes.
doing that. So that's that.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, Mr. Mansur.
Yes, Mr. Maciel.
There's nothing in my,
Mr.
my case
Maciel,
with
Mr.
drugs or alcohol for my
Maciel,
tether either, and I gotta pay the tether stuff.
Maciel,
Hold on,
I
hold
don't
on.
hear me talking to you, sir. Do not overtalk me when I'm trying to get your attention. Do you understand?
Understand what?
All right.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. If we
No,
could just,
Mr. Maciel apparently
I
does
haven't had
not.
any time to talk with him this morning. I tried to message him
Sir,
on here.
do not overtalk me. Like I said,
I'm not
I did
over.
stutter. Did I stutter?
You keep on going in and out. This phone thing is going in and out.
Well, when you go into custody, you'll get a very clear signal. Do you understand?
I understand.
If you want time to talk to your attorney, you need to ask for that, not start talking during the middle of court. Are we clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to speak with your attorney?
Yes, I would love that.
I will pass these.
Judge, I never had an opportunity to put the plea offer on the record. So in the domestic violence case, it would be a DV4, and in the child abuse case, it would be a prosecutor's deferred. But now those are off the table, and there will be no further plea offers. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. He may go into his room with his attorney. We'll call the matter of the state of Michigan versus Ozell Hyman, case number 25 FB